Okay, this video is for cleaning your fuel injectors on a 2009 Honda Civic EX. So I looked everywhere to try to figure out how to do this, and no videos anywhere. All I could find was videos on how to change your fuel rail, which helped because one guy's got a video on how to change the fuel rail, which helped me figure out how to remove the clips. Unfortunately, I didn't do this from the beginning. I wish I did. So just figure out how to remove these clips off of the fuel line right there in the back. First you have to remove that panel, that black panel right there. And then you got to remove this clip right here that's on top. And then you have to figure out a way to plug your fuel line, which is right there. It's a fuel line. What I did is I actually put a Phillips screwdriver in it that fit just right, and it holds, because when you remove the fuse, the car will not run. I figured out. It drove me crazy. Anyway, I ran one 16-ounce can through here once already. The car went from super rough idle to pretty smooth idle, actually. You can't even barely feel it anymore. This is what I used. Get this on Amazon. And I used this fuel injector cleaner that I borrowed from a friend. And this is my second can. I figured since it was such a pain in the butt to get to, I would do it twice. Why not? And I think this thing's gonna run amazing after it's done. Anyway, hope this helps. Out for now. See ya. By the way, it takes 30 to 40 minutes for this little 16-ounce can to run through this thing. So I'm probably about halfway through the second can. This thing is barely even freaking moving anymore. This thing used to freaking rattle and vibrate like crazy. You can't even hardly tell that it's moving. Look at that, barely anything. Almost nothing. It's amazing. I couldn't believe it. Wow. Well, good luck. Hope this helps. All right, just got back taking it for a ride. I don't remember the last time this car ran so smooth. It accelerates smooth, it idles smooth, both in gear and out of gear. It's amazing.